Hello guys, so today we are making a triple chocolate brownie. It's from the Decadent PC. So let's begin. So here we are using that brownie mix: 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter, and chocolate chips. Now we will take one bowl and add egg with the water and whisk it well. And for that, for our brownies, we need to put our oven at 325 degree for preheating. Now we are adding 1/3 cup of melted butter and again whisk it well. Now we will add our brownie mix and stir it again and make sure there is no lumps. Now we add chocolate chips, which is also come with the packet. Here I use 2 molds because I have a small one. If you have a big mold, then you can only use one. And I grease the 2 molds with the butter, and after that I am adding parchment paper in the both of them, which is very helpful when we are removing our brownies. So here you can see how I put that papers, and after that I add my batter into molds and put it into oven for 325 degree for 40 to 45 minutes in the oven. And after 40 minutes I am going to check my brownie. It's not ready yet, so I will put it back into oven for 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it's ready to serve. So you can see here how that paper helps to remove our brownie. So transfer it into a plate or cutting board, and now we will cut into a pieces, and for that we need hot knives. So for that we will dip our knife into hot water and dry it properly and cut into the pieces. It will help to cut perfectly. For perfect piece, we need to use our knife hot and clean in every cut. So you can see here I am using a clean and hot knife for every cut. It will make our piece perfect. So finally our brownie is ready. It looks so delicious and yummy. I made it for my husband in this Christmas, and you can also make it in Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and like my recipe. This is my first video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.